What we have here is a Casablanca Ventura, circa 2005, 4-5 blade, 16-degree blade pitch, and high gloss snow white blades. Now you may be wondering, what's with the canopy? I got this fan from Habitat, and per usual it came without its hang true. So I used what I had on hand, a hunter canopy. From something like a Millennium, a Preference, or a Southern Classic. One of those. And personally, I don't think it looks half bad. Now, and there's your bag. Let's see how it performs. Medium. Doing pretty well. Not a high. As expected, it hauls ass on high. Does particularly well. Later catalogs say this model only had a 5-blade configuration possible, which is absolute horse shit because these flywheels were 4 or 5 blade all the way to the end. So, yeah. Now let it coast. No, that is not the fan. That is an annoying little ball of fur that will not leave me alone. Isn't that right, stupid? This fan's pretty minty. Still has sticker residue on the switch cap. But that's not a huge priority right now, so... And there you have it, a Casablanca Ventura.